will be changing the halo bulb of the 2006 E85 BMW Z4. This procedure should be the same for all for 2002 to 2008. If you got this bulb out light and you need to change yours, and turn the steering wheel to the side that you're going to be changing. So we're changing the passenger side, so turn it all the way to the right, and there's going to be a cover for the bulb under the wheel well. Just use a quarter to remove the cover, turn the lock on the cover, and remove that cover, and there will be another cover on the back of the headlights. And this one got a wire lock, so just use a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, to plop down the wire up, to pop the wire up. And push that wire all the way down, get it out of the way. And remove it from the right side first, and then put it down. And so what we're going to be changing is the top left. They're going to be the inner, and that's the one for the halo. And just click it a little bit counterclockwise, about 1/8 of an inch. If you're having a hard time, you can actually loosen the 2 screws, but if not, just turn it counterclockwise and you should be able to pull it out. And the bulb is push and turn counterclockwise, and then you're gonna have to take it off one side at a time. So left side first, right side, then right side, and you should be able to get it out. And then same way of putting back in, one side first, then the other. Most websites will tell you that you have to change the whole assembly. You can actually just change the bulb and turn it on, turn the key on, and you should be able to test it before you put it back. And make sure you also use a clean gloves. Don't touch the bulb, the halogen bulb, with your hand. Make sure you have a clean gloves with no oil. And then turn it clockwise to lock it. Then once you put it in place, you might want to do another test. Just make sure it's still working. And if you start it, you should be able to see that the warning light is no longer there. And put the cover on the back of the headlight again. And left side in first, and then push in the right side. And you're just gonna have to get it past that wire. And slide that wire to the notch. And if you're having a hard time, just use a screwdriver. Make sure that it's actually in place. Make sure you check both sides. And put the cover on the wheel well back on. And lock it with a quarter. Just use any coin or any flathead screwdriver.